rocking my G-Schock. I'm 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 rocking my G-Schock.
What's up, YouTube? Thanks for watching yet again another video for you guys. I got a special one. I usually don't show my face very often, but today I wanted to show you guys something that you guys may be interested in. I never shared this before. It's a trade secret, so please, shh, don't share this video. Nevertheless, ever have your G-Schock broken, scratched, damaged, and you don't want to replace the entire watch, right? You don't want to waste a lot of money replacing the entire watch when it's just something cosmetic. Firstly, a lot of people don't mind the damages to the watches. It adds character. But if it's something that's dramatically affecting the structure of the watch and you want to replace it, or the integrity of the watch, you want to replace the actual piece, here's how you do it. Now, every collector has one of these, and this for me is my little box of spare parts. I have parts for Maharishi Mudmaster right there. Bunch of parts for watches I've played with, bands for different model watches that I've collected over the years, and just parts all together. But where does one go to get these parts, right? You can either do one of a few things. One, you can send it to Casio for repair. There's an address, and I'll put it on the screen now, where you can send your watch for repair. Both either under warranty or without warranty. Without warranty, you send a watch in and you tell them what the problem is, and they will contact you and tell you how much it would cost to repair the watch. Under warranty, you can submit a copy of your receipt and also your warranty card, and they'll repair the watch for free. The second and more secret option, a lot of people don't know about this, it's a website. It's named Pack Parts, and I'll put the link on the description, but also on the bottom of the screen. And this is how it actually looks. Now, in order to operate the website, you have to do the following. And here's the website, www.packparts.com. On this website here, you can see that you can search by model number. Click on the model number and you'll be brought to this page where you enter the G-Schock model number by series. You enter, for example, GA100, and you have a series of watches will come up with a picture and the reference number come up. Another one you could try, for example, is GG1000 Mudmaster. You'll see that you have a list of all the different Mudmasters along with a link. You click on that link and a list of parts will show up. The part and the price for each part will be listed. Notice that some parts are out of stock and require some shipping time, sometimes 1 to 3 weeks for shipment. Parts for limited edition watches will also be listed, but you'll see that are restricted by Pack Parts. You cannot order limited edition parts for watches. Another example, for example, is the GPRB 1000. Here you can see the range band is listed, all the different variations. You click on the link and you'll see the parts that are listed for sale. Watch out, some of these prices could be extremely high. Like I said, sometimes it may not be worth buying the part. You might just want to keep what you have. Here's another example and how to order. GST B100, all the listed models show up. You click on the link for the one you're referencing, and on the right side, you'll see there's a quantity. You type in the quantity or number of parts you want to order for that particular item, add to cart, and here is the order page. Here you can use PayPal or use a checkout, self-checkout to continue your order. Enter your information and your payment information and place your order. You'll get a confirmation via email when the order has both placed and has shipped. Alright guys, so that's how you use Pack Parts. Now remember, the third option you have is to buy the watch outright. In some cases, the parts are more expensive than the actual watch. some of the older models, the parts are difficult to come by and or the prices may be too high. In some cases, you'll be lucky. Check some of the third-party vendors and you'll find that it's cheaper to buy the watch outright, maybe used or brand new, without having to buy the parts and replace them yourself. So one tip is that if you're going to buy parts, make sure you know how to change it out or install them yourself before you go through the motions. Because if you decide to buy the parts and end up damaging the watch, you're losing not only the watch, the parts, but the money and the time and effort put into restoring or fixing the watch. All right. Now remember, guys, a lot of the watches that I review on YouTube, I do help find for you at a significantly under retail. So my email is on the description of this YouTube video, and if you need help finding any G-Schock whatsoever, message me on that email and I'll let you know if I can find it for you. And if I can, it's more than likely 95% chance it's going to be way under retail. All right. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button, please. And I'll see you guys soon for the next video. Until next time, I'm out of here. Chicago! Holla at your boy. Peace.
I'm rocking my G-Schock. I'm rocking my superstar. I'm rocking my G-Schock. I'm rocking my superstar. I'm rocking my G.